Hey peeps, welcome to the Crafty Witch UK. My name is Arietta and today I am so excited because I finally have a big finish for you. This is what was my Ease Your Whip into 2025 January project, but that in itself was brought forward or carried over from my May last year event that I took part in. There were two events. One was about stars and space and the other was like a fantasy event. So yeah, this has has been a long time in coming, and even before that I've had this canvas for a really long time. So I'm so pleased that it's finished. It was a bit of a slog, but I'm gonna get in and show you the finished result. I'm sort of in disbelief at the fact that it's actually finished. So here we go. This is Time Travel. It is copyright to Art Tower and came from Cat Eared. They no longer sell this canvas. They only do mystery diamond paintings and minis now. But yeah, so this one has been in my stash for quite a while, but I am so pleased with it. I think up close, when I was working on it, it was not disappointing, but I missed sort of being able to see what I was working on, because up close it's just pixels. Whereas through the camera and from a distance, you can really see all these lovely details. You've got the astrological symbols, you've got the star signs, you've got sort of this lovely sun here that looks really sort of three-dimensional. You can see the clock handles, clock hands, sorry. So yeah, and also it's got a really lovely, like a shimmer, I would say, more so than a sparkle, but it is a square, and I think you sometimes find that with squares, particularly these older ones. It's got a nice little shimmer to it. Quality, considering its age, was pretty good. I did have, let's look at the trash. Let me bring you down a little bit, bear with me. Let's see, so this is the trash I bothered to collect. Oh, I've just scooched some over there now. Where did that go? Mostly it was just poorly made drills, sort of those hollow drills that you can sometimes get, and quite a lot where there were, oh, we're out of focus here. Let me find a pointy thing, that would be useful, wouldn't it? So here, there's sort of quite a lot of these two drills stuck together. That happened quite a lot, but it's fine, it happens, and it's easy enough to deal with. I don't think, there was no point at which I was worried that I had so much trash I wouldn't have enough drills to actually complete the canvas. In terms of leftovers, these are my refill bags, so 333, 3866 and 327. Let's just see, is there anything where I was really low? See, 327, oh gosh, 327, very low, but I still had all of that as well, so not nearly as low as I maybe thought I was. Same with 333, not much left in my pot, but I still had a bag. Everything else, just pick some up random, yeah, and the colours were lovely. Really lovely selection of colours. You can see, just chuck them all out there and you can see them. Ooh. point showing you those. Those were empty already. This didn't have a 60 colours, it had 40 colours. Right, so there we go, that's plenty of leftovers there, nothing that needed to be worried about at all. So yeah, even the AB, there was only one AB in this kit, was this pinky purple one. It is 554 and plenty of that left as well, so that will go into my stash to be used on something else. So as I've got you up close now, you can see what I mean about the kind of pixelation when you're up close to the canvas. So it was very confetti heavy, but the finished result is definitely worth it. I started, the pen's rolling around. I started in this corner first of all and was working in strips down the canvas, and then I finished up in this top yellow corner here. It was nice, the fact that as you went through, you were working on different colours, because we went from this very blue section to an orangey section, through this dark blue, and then up into the yellow. So that was quite nice. Yeah, on the whole, I am pleased that I did it. I'm pleased that it's finished. And this is definitely a canvas that's going to get hung on the wall somewhere, although I'm not entirely sure where yet. There is a lovely section in the middle here where you can really see the depth. Yeah, again, when working up close to it, I was not aware of that kind of layering that I was seeing, because it was all just colours. So that's really nice, and I'm still seeing new things in it now as I look at it. So I think this is one that is going to bring me a lot of joy for a long time. But now on to new things. So I've got to get back on now with working on my February project. I hope that everybody else is busy working on new projects. I will be back live on Wednesday, so that you can, if you'd like, join me live at 8 GMT, or on replay if that's more convenient for you. And we will be giving out some more prizes for my February event. That is the hashtag Once Upon a Time event. Sadly, I have closed that event to new entries now, just because there had to be a cutoff point at some point. But if you want to come along, join us, drill along with us, share your progress, you just won't be on the prize winning wheel. However, we would still love to have your company. And there will be many other opportunities for other events in the future. So I'm going to leave this here. I'm going to go find somewhere to store this now until it gets put up on the wall. Yeah, I'm just I'm kind of flabbergasted that it's finished, but I'm glad. So yeah, as always, massive thanks to those of you that support the channel over on Patreon and here as channel members. If you'd like to join them, it is from just 99p a month. If you do decide to join, I will send you some stickers no matter where in the world that you are, and you will get early access to my videos, even at the lowest tier. If becoming a channel member is not practical for you right now, you can still support the channel by liking, sharing, subscribing if you haven't already. Come over to Facebook, become a member of the Crafty Coven. And until next time, stay crafty!